So good morning class. Today we are going to discuss the further chapter, that is how nutrients are replenished in the soil. So we will be doing that topic, how the nutrients gets replenished in soil. So, do you have any idea what is the need of getting replenishment of the nutrients? Yes, in the soil. Yes, you can say also yes. What is the meaning of replenished? Yes, replenished means to recover or to retrieve the property that the nutrients already have in the soil. So, how these nutrients get replenished in the soil? Yes, class. So you have seen some of the farmers like providing manure or fertilizers to the soil. Have you seen it? Yes. So what happens when the farmer need more amount of crop, or when they will provide manure or fertilizer to this soil, when they require large number of nutrients to the soil, or to increase the fertility of the soil. So these are the some, like adding manure and fertilizer to the soil. They help to increase the fertility of the soil, and they also require nutrient, because when we are going to uh, mix the manure and fertilizer to the soil, the nutrients get replenished. So you have remembered about the microorganism or the bacteria which helps in the nitrogen fixation. Yes, have you remembered it? Yes. So some of the you have studied about some of the relationship between some of the autotrophs, heterotrophs, symbiotic relationship, insectivorous plant. So today we are going to discuss the about the microorganism or the bacteria. So can you name the bacteria? Which one is the bacteria for nitrogen fixation? Yes, the bacteria name is Rhizobium. Okay, Rhizobium. And Rhizobium helps in the nitrogen fixation. So can anybody tell me what kind of relationship the bacteria is going to be with the plants also? Yes. So here the Rhizobium, the bacteria have, like for example, if a plant, yes, for example I am drawing a tree. So for example, a plant has legumes. So do you know the legumes, the leguminous plants? Yes. Leguminous plants are those which have legumes or the roots, like small roots, or they have like seeds in them. For example, beans, rice, all our pulses comes under the leguminous plants. So all these plants are known as the leguminous plants. So they have very tiny taproot like structure in the roots. So these are known as legumes. And whenever a plant is going to adhere the nitrogen in the atmosphere, so what happens? The Rhizobium, the bacteria who lives in the roots of legumes, Rhizobium, the bacteria who converts the nitrogen, the form of nitrogen, into nitrogen oxide and oxygen, to form the to inhale the nitrite ions. Okay, so Rhizobium is going to help the plants to convert the nitrogen into nitrate ions, or the nitrate oxide also. So it will helpful for the plants to inhale the nitrogen in the form of nitrate ions. Okay, and then after that Rhizobium helps to grow the plant. And on the other hand, the the plant provides some of the shelter to the rhizobium plant, like it provides some of the shelter, like it lives in the roots of the plants for many years. So it provides some shelter to the bacteria and also the nutrient with the bacteria also, or for example the food for the bacteria also. So it will comes under a symbiotic relationship. So are you clear with it, class? So this is a symbiotic relationship. This is an example of symbiotic relationship here. So this will come under symbiotic relationship. So have you ever seen like some of the like what are the farmer's friend? Yes, you have also known this fact also. So farmer's friend are the earthworm. So what they do? Yes, what? Okay, so what they do? Yes, they helps in the like enhancing the fertility of the soil. So they grow on the field also, they grow on the soil also, and after that what happens? The earthworm has to convert by eating or by chewing or like the soil and engulfing it into the soil also. So it will have to tender the soil or to like give the fertility to the soil. So earthworm in the other hand the farmer's friend also, and they provide fertility to the soil also. So here you can see these are the further symbiotic relationship. So you have to answer that what is the use of the, like for example fertilizers and manure to the field? Yes, what are the uses of it? Yes, you can ask, you can see also. So for example I have already told you that you have to like you have some differentiation between manure and fertilizer, as this part is not in the your syllabus, but I am going to tell you this. So further you will be clear about it. So manure and fertilizer. So what's the difference between both of them? Both are used in the soil also, and both are used for the increasing the fertility also. But the main difference, the point of difference between them also is that manure is an organic substance or organic matter, and fertilizers are the inorganic, or you can say inorganic means they have chemical composition. They have chemical composition. Okay.